For someone who grew up in Johannesburg and has lived overseas for many years, a walk through the inner city was the perfect way to see how things have changed. Arriving with warnings from locals ringing in my ears, I was anxious, but our guide, Iko, put us, me and two family members who live in Johannesburg, at ease from the start. A second guide followed behind. We felt safe at all times. Seeing Maboneng, learning how the rejuvenation of the area started and is continuing, was eye-opening. Venturing into the CBD, past the offices of Anglo-American and the old Carlton Hotel, and seeing where Mandela and Tambo worked, all added to the experience. I recommend this walking tour to locals, who will be surprised by what they see. Visitors from overseas will be fascinated by this walking tour. This walking tour starts and ends in Maboneng and takes about 4 hours, but the time flies by. Kaiser was an excellent and fun guide who took us through the developing hip streets of Maboneng to the city center and on to New Town and Market Square. Saw interesting street art, enjoyed great views of the city, Nelson Mandela's old law office, and were told about the city's history, apartheid and liberation. A great way to see the city. Would highly recommend this tour, which also supports a youth employment program, Joburg Tourist Ambassadors. Learned a lot about the experiences and aspirations of young South Africans, speaking to them. Miss it if you are in Johannesburg. I had a great walking tour of Johannesburg with Iko. He was exceptional. The tour started in the creative hub of town called Maboneng. The other guests and I learned about its unique character and from there walked through the hustle and bustle of the CBD. We had a short stop at a cafe and ended the tour at the west end of downtown next to the mining district at Mandela's former law firm. I learned so much from this tour, the history of the city, its challenges and how it has evolved to the present. The tour was informative, safe, and eye-opening. Go ahead and book this tour. You will love it and leave the tour with a deep appreciation of Johannesburg. Absolutely brilliant experience. We live in Joburg and took the tour to explore a part of the city that we don't have the opportunity to visit in our day-to-day. Iko helped us to discover a whole different experience of Josie. The street art was stunning, and so powerful, and we felt like we were walking back in time and seeing the history of Joburg come to life. And we met some really great people. A fabulous experience, and we will definitely be booking again with Iko to explore other parts of our hometown. We absolutely loved our experience walking through Maboneng and the inner city of Joburg with our awesome guide Iko. Iko was not only super informative about this vibrant city, but he provided such an in-depth knowledge about the nation's politics and people, which created some amazing discussions. The street art and artist initiative in Maboneng is impressive, highly recommend. Thank you again Iko for showing us such a wonderful time. From your Australian friends Jen and Liam. Our walking tour through Johannesburg with Iko was fantastic. From start to finish, we felt completely safe and comfortable. Iko's deep knowledge of the city's history and culture made the tour both informative and engaging. His passion for the city and attention to detail truly enriched the experience. We highly recommend this tour to anyone visiting Johannesburg, the perfect way to explore, learn, and connect with the heart of the city.